Well, I'm a counterman at the AutoZone store in Birmingham, Alabama. We got everything from A to Z, some miscellaneous and what have you. I got the parts to fix all the parts of cars and make them all blow smoke. But I ain't got the part for that part of my heart that a woman of mine just broke. But I'm a counterman and I was counting on her just to stay with me the rest of my life. I was crazy for wishing that blonde beautician would settle down and be my wife. I'd bet a set of plugs she's powdered up and painted, dancing hoes in her high heels. 'Cause she's pretty as a cherry 57 Chevy and smooth as an Oldsmobile.